Minister, exactly 4 years ago this month, the government made an announcement that trawlers, that vessels over 18 metres would be excluded from fishing in inshore waters. That was followed a consultation of 900 submissions. Subsequently, a policy directive issued. Unfortunately, it ended up in the courts with a High Court decision against the government and then a Court of Appeal decision in July of this year for the government. Now, my question is, where are we now in relation to the policy? Because the answer I've got up to recently was that it's open season for the big vessels to go in and fish, notwithstanding that the Court of Appeal has held completely for the government. Now, I point out that this is extremely important, not just to protect small fishermen, but also in relation to ecology, biodiversity and the protection of sprat. Where are we 4 years after the policy was introduced?
Thanks very much, Deputy Connolly, and I do appreciate the importance of this issue for fishers, for communities, and indeed for marine life as well. I don't have a specific update on that issue, but I will ask Minister McConnell-Logue to come back to you with a detailed reply.